Echo, let's get going. Echo. Pause. Okay, we have is it only has the person's name from Techno Toy Tuning. Steering adapter with bolts. So let's take a look at how to do that. What we're going to do is replace the steering coupler that's in the car, that's a 35-plus-year-old rubber one, with this nice happy new one from Techno Toy Tuning. Not sponsored, not a sponsored video, I had to pay for this. They didn't send me anything for free other than a couple stickers, but they do a lot for the Datsun and Toyota communities. So let's do it. Taking advantage that there's no engine in the car, I'm gonna do this steering coupler here, and hopefully I can actually get it out. So I really hope this is in focus. Either way, it's going in. Yeah, I need to turn the wheel 180 degrees. Or some semblance of that. I guess I could do the intelligent thing and get a 14 and let this. wanted to note. Thought the larger holes would be it, but they don't quite line up. It's the smaller holes that line up perfectly. So be aware of that if using Techno toy tuning, because for as much as I love this thing, there's all the documentation it has. A quick note from Post here. So they actually have a newer version of the steering coupler, one for with power steering, one for without power steering. This was the older version, which was for both. That's why it has 8 holes. If you look at the newer ones, you have to order with or without power steering. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get dangerous. Yeah, let's go about there. Got my coupler, my T. First, let me apologize about the audio quality today. I actually could not find my happy lapel mic until about 2 minutes ago. I put it in a weird spot, so that is totally on me. Second, the main meat of this, steering coupler. I switched the stock rubber one out for the Techno Toy Tuning aluminum one. I don't know how it feels yet, so we'll find out. I ran out of space while I was recording, and I did not record torquing the bolts down. Both plates are back in, top and bottom. The little thing that goes over it to protect it as a weather seal. Wow, this thing is really flexible compared to the Techno Toy Tuning. Both bolts that go, or the little weather protector cup that goes over it, is also back on it. And the all 4 bolts are in and torqued, well tightened, and the steering connecting bolts are tightened, and my wheel is right side up, because if you don't pay attention you'll turn it the wrong way. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe if you like this content, and I will be doing more in the future. Thank you. Echo, shut it down.